Autodesk Seek is a web service that enables you to search for and download product and design information for use in your Revit projects. To find families using Autodesk Seek, switch to the Insert ribbon. Here on the right is the Autodesk Seek panel. In this panel, in the Search Autodesk Seek field, you would type the desired search term. For example, if I want to find light fixtures, I could type light fixture and then either click the search button or just press enter. Revit opens a browser window and begins searching the Autodesk Seek website. Within a few seconds, it returns a list of more than 1,000 items matching my search. Although my search was specific to Revit, the search returned links for many different types of files, including RFA and RVT files, AutoCAD drawing files, DWF files, MicroStation DGN files, SketchUp SKP files, PDF files, Microsoft Word documents, and many more. On the left side of the browser window, I can narrow my search by category, content source, specific manufacturers, and so on. I can also narrow my search by entering more specific search parameters. The search returned too many results because my search was very broad. If I know that I'm only searching for fixtures that mount in a T-bar ceiling grid, in the Product Attributes area, I can expand the mounting type, select T-bar, and click Filter. Now the list contains significantly fewer items. I can continue filtering the list if needed. Each item in the list includes an image, so I can get a better idea of the actual product, and I can see the various files associated with each item. Also notice that some of the listings include a special symbol to indicate that the files have been provided by the actual product manufacturer. Items that don't include this symbol were probably created by other Revit users, but most are supplied by manufacturers. Also, be aware that you can sort the list in various ways. Once you locate a family that you think you may use in your project, you can click on the item or one of the files to view additional information. If you decide that you do indeed want to use that product, you need to download it. To do this, select the checkbox adjacent to the file you want to download, and then select either Download Selected to Local or Download Selected to 360. Download to 360 will download the selected file to Autodesk 360 if you are a subscription member. I will select Download Selected to Local. Note that before you can download from Autodesk Seek for the first time, you will have to agree to the terms and conditions. There is no cost. Autodesk Seek is free, but you must complete this step before you will be able to download files. Once you accept the terms and conditions, a download pop-up will appear. You can click Save to save the file to a folder on your computer and then load it for use in your project. However, since I selected a single Revit.rfa family file, I can click Open. In this case, the RFA file will download and then open in the Revit Family Editor. I can then click Load into Project to immediately load that component into my Revit project. Now I can see that the light fixture I just downloaded is ready to be inserted into my project. Of course, since it is ceiling hosted, I would need to have a ceiling in my model before I could place the fixture. If I open the Type Properties dialog, however, notice that in addition to the typical parameters, I've also been provided with additional identity data, including the URL for the manufacturer's website. Note that the component will still be open in the Family Editor. If you wish, you can go back to the Family Editor and save the RFA file so that you can easily use it again in other projects. If you selected multiple files, when you download the files, you'll be downloading a zipped archive file. Again, you can either click Save and save the zip file to your computer, or click Open to download the file to a temporary folder and immediately open the zip file. Because it's a zip file, however, you'll need to extract the individual files and save them onto your computer before you can load the individual RFA files and use them in your project.